A good evening, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Sunday, May the 25th, 26th, 2024. And in this puzzle page, I've already solved two puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle number 8599. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones again. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. Same for here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. Alright. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the third column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This one is not easy at all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, need to compare now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here double O. That's not the same. Yeah. How about here double O? No. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of those. So this can be 1. This should be an O then. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 101. I think we need to compare. 011. Double 101. Come on. Oh, 10 we have here. 11. Yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also between an O and a 1. Need an O and a 1 here. Here also an O and a 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the other two missing digits are the O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And now, 10. No. How about here? 10. Double 11. Ay. Oh, 11 here. Oh, 11. Maybe I can compare this column. Do we have a double O's? Yeah. No, it's totally different here. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. We have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If I place the 4th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. We have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. This is the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Finish in 9 minutes. Well. I thought maybe I need to compare, but we solve it again, and I like this one here, so I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.